Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Off-Roading channel. In today's video, I show you how to convert a cargo basket into a rooftop narrow cargo basket. I wanted to do this project because I was looking for a narrow basket for my roof rack, and all the narrow baskets were above $200, $300 and they're by name brands. So I was just thinking I could just get a cargo basket, mount it on my roof, and it's going to be the same thing. And that's what I've done here. And the reason why I wanted a narrow basket is because I have my box, and then I also have this part that's opened off for my tent, and the basket for everything else like chairs and such. But here is how I did this, and I'll show you now here. So first off, the basket itself is from Amazon, and there's a whole slew of different brands. I'll link everything, all the parts down below. But the only thing is I just got a narrow basket and then put it together, and then from there I got this mesh from Home Depot, this wire mesh, and I also got U-bolts and a bar from Home Depot to mount it on my roof rails, as you can see here. And then from there I've used a couple of these zip ties, these UV zip ties along the edge to hold the wire mesh in place. So far I've had this on for 2.5 years now, and the zip ties have held in place, and also the cargo basket has been up here for 2.5 years, and it's been pretty good as well. No signs of rust anywhere. And my awning is also mounted to this rack, as you can see here from my previous video, how I made this secure. But overall, this has been good. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly narrow basket, then you can just convert one of these cargo baskets from Amazon and turn it into a narrow roof rack, rather than paying $200 to $300 on a narrow basket from the name brands. So far this has held up well. Let me know if this helps anyone or helps you. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.